and welcome to the 2.0 viewer tutorial brought to you by the Fairy Crossing. This tutorial, along with your in-world instructor, will help you become familiar with this viewer and how to navigate through the menus and options available. The video will show you where each basic functions can be found on your screen, and your instructor will be able to answer any specific questions that you may have. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll be exploring the top section of your viewer, which is also commonly referred to as the top bar. If you drop down the Me menu, you'll see that the first option available to you is Preference. Note that some functions will have a shortcut key so you can easily access them later. As you can see here, the shortcut for Preference is Control P. So let's go ahead and open up the Preference to see what's available there. Under the Preference, you'll be able to specify and customize several aspects of your viewer setting like language, graphics, privacy, sound and media, chat, and notification option. Usually when you're experiencing performance issues in Second Life, such as no audio or excessive latency, also commonly known as lag, preference settings should be one of the first places you look to see if certain options are enabled or disabled, or whether you should turn down your graphics to enhance your experience in Second Life. Next on the Me menu is My Dashboard. Opening up My Dashboard will ask you for a login. After logging into your web browser, you can manage your account using services that Linden Lab provides, like upgrade or downgrade your Second Life account, verify your age, or buy Linden. You can also simply purchase Linden in World under the same Me menu under Buy Linden. A pop-up box will appear, specify the amount that you want to purchase, and hit Buy Now. Your Lindens will usually be delivered to you within 10 or 20 minutes of the purchase time. A tip on getting your Linden instantly is to pay someone one Linden or purchase something. This will cause your Linden to refresh and you'll get the Linden you recently purchased instantly. Next on the Me menu is My Profile. My Profile will open up your Profile tab, and there you can edit your profile pictures, your real life biography. We will talk more about that in detail when we get to the section on the side tabs. The next two menus, Change Outfit and My Inventory, also brings up a tab with your outfit and inventory respectively. We will also go into detail about how to make an outfit and dealing with your ever-growing inventory in later sections of this tutorial. My Gesture brings up all the lists of gestures that are in your gesture folder. Active gestures will be highlighted in bold. My Voice is the voice morphing menu. Any voice you subscribe to will be available for you to choose from. Otherwise, all this does is allows you to hear your own voice once you record them, morphed into the different types available here, and you can just play with them for fun. My Status allows you to set yourself as away or busy. You can customize auto response when you're in busy mode in Preference under the General tab. And of course, the last available option is Exit Second Life. This will close your Second Life window and log you off. Under the Communicate menu, there are 4 items that are available. All 4 options will call up a tab. My Friends will call up the tab of all your friends. My Group will bring up the tab that contains a list of all the groups that you belong to. Nearby Chat will call up the chat window that has the history of the local chat. Nearby People brings up a list of anyone who's within 100 meters of where you currently are. There are shortcuts for all of these functions because you will find that you will access these pretty often. Before we continue to the World menu, let's take a break for any questions that you may have so far. Please return to your in-world instructor and type in the word butterfly in the nearby chat to indicate that you have finished this portion of the tutorial and are ready to move on.